Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what a day today. We've got a bit of a reversal. We had some drama last night with Microsoft, and also we saw that Teams has gone down around the world. That's affecting the markets, that's affecting Microsoft. It actually happened live during the earnings report. Can you believe it? If you watch the end of my earnings report, you'll see it actually goes off air. However, here we are this morning picking up the pieces. All right, let's get straight into our trades. If it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm actually the world piano man. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Here is my TV studio, and behind me during the shows we celebrate birthdays, and sometimes in the evenings at the end I have premieres. A few nights ago we had me doing a song with Sir Paul McCartney. We've had me singing with soldiers in Ukraine, all kinds of things. That comes up in the evening. If you look below the homepage of this channel to my music channel, you'll find all those videos. Be a part of my musical journey as well. All right, so there we go. This is the portfolio this morning, down 1.38. I don't have any funds left to buy the dips at the moment. Until I earn more money, which won't be till Tuesday, I've got no more money, and I don't get paid until the 21st of February on YouTube. So unless I sell something for a profit, I've got nothing to spend, unless I get some super chats, of course, right now. So there we go. That's where we are. Welcome, welcome. If we get 100 likes during the video, we'll give away a cash prize. Also, we have an extra $20 cash prize to give away for those of you that are taking part in this competition. This is extra to our newsletter, extra one. This is the Ali Tizro video. There it is. If you click on that, you will open another tab, let it watch all the way through. If you don't watch it all the way through, you won't be in the draw. And leave a like and a comment. The comment is Ali Tizro, and you can be in that extra $20 cash giveaway on the closing bell on Friday. Sorry, the opening bell on Friday. All right, let's get straight into our positions, see what's up, see what's down, see what's going on. All right, fish and send. You don't post the comment in here, you post it below the video. You can't win nothing by just posting it in here. All right, okay. So, look at our positions. What are we looking at this morning? What's to do? Right, first of all, the S&P is down today, 0.95. Still up 1.73. Still up, but down at the moment. Virgin Galactic down 2%. Still up 28%. Virgin Orbit up 11%. Rocket Labs last night had a good night, right? Rivian down 2.38. Remember, I sold half my position. I'm glad I did. Tesla, it's Tesla day today, of course. Tesla. It's their earnings tonight. We will be there. We will be there for the earnings. If you look here on the homepage of the YouTube channel, be the first person to click it, like, leave a comment, and I'll highlight you to the top. There you go. There you go. There's Tesla. Tonight, we're covering it in the after hours tonight. It should be a very big night. Right, moving on. Lucid is down 2.79. So EVs are down today. In fact, the whole market is down. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. If you want to be part of our cash prize giveaway, it's on youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm giving $20 away today, a $10 prize and another $10 prize. So there's potentially $40 in cash prizes available today, which I will pay out live on the show. So it's all there for you to take advantage of if you want to. All right, Amazon is down today, 3.27. Had a massive night last night. Bonus Fish and Send keeps writing Ali Tizro in the chat. It makes no difference. You need to write it below this video. I'll give it to you again. If you want to win $20, all you've got to do is open another tab, let this video play. If it doesn't play all the way through, you won't be in the draw anyway. And leave a comment below with a like, Ali Tizro, and you can be in the draw for Friday. All right, $20. McDonald's, it's been halted again. Incredible. Well, no, it's not halted, but it recently experienced elevated volatility. You don't expect this from McDonald's. There you go. Coca-Cola. I watched the video for real. Thank you, Tio Roll. Thank you. Back from Bentley, waiting for Wheel-Trans. What is that? Let's bring in the comments this morning. Who have we got here? Let's have a little look. Bonus Fish and Send. Seriously, I paid for this. No, you didn't. You didn't pay a penny. You're not a YouTube member. I've got it here on the screen. Bonus Fish and Send says, seriously, I paid for this. You didn't pay for anything. You're getting this for free. And there you go. So you're not paying for anything, right? Mr. Lucas, an analyst said today to sell Lucid and out price targets at $5. Your thoughts? Lucid, I do believe that Lucid has a great car. No question about it. The trouble is, EVs are going through a lot of pressure now with hydrogen as well coming on. We had a boom with Tesla. Tesla got overbought. Tesla got oversold. A lot of drama. Elon Musk, all that stuff. However, I do think that Lucid could go a lot lower. It's why I only own 11 shares. I sold it at 40. So I am waiting to buy it lower. That's just my opinion. I don't know. At the end of the day, it's just a feeling. It's at the end of the day, just a best guess. Boeing also poor. Recession taking hold and market worried. SPX will be down 1% at this rate. 22. Last night was interesting. You gave me the incorrect information, but actually I managed to make it work for me. Last night you reported that Microsoft missed on earnings. You remember? They actually didn't. They beat earnings. However, you wasn't in the earnings. And it's another reason why I say to people, I know 22 says he can't become a member because of his location, but it's why I always say I can't verify the unverified users. With the greatest respect to anyone, I don't know who anyone is unless they're verified. If they're verified, we know they're an adult, we know that they are a real person, we know they've got a credit card, and I can verify them because they come into Discord. We can get to know them and we can verify information. Now, 22, I'm saying this not to have a go at all. I'm not. You're a great supporter of our show. What I'm saying is it's important that I clarify where I get my sources from. It was incorrect. However, like I said, I can't verify what non-members say because they're not on Discord either. 22 isn't on Discord either. So I can't verify any information that unverified members say. But having said that, last night I made money from Microsoft. It popped up. I was up 10%. I sold it immediately. All right. So it went straight up. I sold it. I had a 10% and I bought it back for where we are now. It's gone a bit lower, but I bought it back for where I was. So I made a profit on it and bought it back to protect this morning's losses. So it was a perfect trade. I only had two. I've got 2.36 now because I was able to get a gain with the profits, some extra. So I've actually gained over that. And last night during the earnings, we saw that Teams went down live in their earnings. It was a very embarrassing moment for Microsoft. Hence, the stock price is down this morning. Anyway, let's read some of these comments. Hello, good people. Okay. Hi, Mike. Hey, from the UK. Hey, Bill. You had to read from the top, Martin. Okay. Lucid cars are too expensive, and given the current economic climate, yes, people can't afford them. You're talking about adjusted earnings, Martin, unadjusted missed. Yes, well, I'm just making the point. What I mean is, when people look at it, when I say it missed, remember I try to keep things really straightforward and clear so everyone understands the validity of the channel. You see, when I say it missed, we're going off this. 229 estimated, 232. So it beat, and it's physically on the screen. People can understand it, see it. I've always said though, just because a stock beats earnings or loses earnings does not mean the stock will go in a way that you predict. You can have a great earnings and the stock go down. It's more to do with the forward projections of the company. So just have to be aware of that. That can happen. Anyway, Microsoft Teams and Outlook crashed overnight. It actually happened live during the earnings. If you watch our earnings last night, it actually happened live during the earnings. Look, I put out a video, Microsoft earnings. There it is. You see it right at the end of the video. There was the live. There was the live earnings, past live streams, but videos just put out. There was the scroll up. There was the video. So if you watch the last part of this video, you'll actually see the crash. It actually happened live during earnings. Couldn't have been worse. Lucid is a great buy between 2 and 5. There you go. Andrew Grady, yes, but they are up and running again as far as I can tell, says Clockwork. I have now cash, but there is nothing good to buy. No, I won't have cash now until another few days, until Tuesday at least. Thank you, 22, for clarifying that. I don't give incorrect information on here. No, I know, I'm not saying you do. I just want everyone to understand that, remember, you got to understand that everyone sees this video, this show differently, has different experiences, different knowledge. They're coming in for the first time. When I say a stock has missed, they're looking at this. Okay, they're looking at this. It beat on earnings. Okay, it's very important just to clarify that. All right, 22 was correct in what he's saying. I'm just putting everything out there so everybody understands. And you were absolutely right, 22. Sell, and I did sell. I sold my shares when it popped up. I was up 10%, and I bought it back when it went right back down again. It went another 2% lower. However, I still managed to buy and sell, so I'm happy with that. What's up? Said Sikiso. How are you? Your opinion? How long will you think? How low do you think Lucid can go? I think now we've got one final push down. I think Lucid could go down to $5. I do, and I'll buy it if it does. Lucid is about to pump, but crypto is about to pump, but down to the downside. Well, that's what me and Ali. Well, that's what Ali Tizro believes. I'm just following him on his crypto journey. Should I buy Microsoft now, or will it go lower? Well, you've got to just dollar cost average, and it depends on your portfolio. What do you think? I'm buying it. I can't buy any lower at the moment. I could sell some VU, but however, that will free up some money to buy Microsoft. Yeah, I could do that. We'll look at the BTC is good at around $9,000. Yeah, absolutely. Anyway, let's carry on with our show. It's time for a quick commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date. Here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. All right, you can be in this ad here if you are a YouTube sponsor. I have a reach now of 500,000 people across all of my platforms and networks. Very, very nice indeed. And you can be in that commercial break there if you are a sponsor, 10 hours a day. All right, so our overall position. Let's look at what's on the heat map. Let's have a quick look and see where the best bargains are. Microsoft, you can see that's the one, and Amazon, because they're a similar tech company, they're getting beat up this morning. So you could sell the S&P 500 before it drops and buy these stocks. Let me share with you the heat map. There you go. Microsoft and Amazon, great companies, dramatically down today. It's a red day, no doubt about it. So let me revisit that. Let me revisit and look at VU. VU is down 1%, but I'm up on it. I do trade small caps, yes. I'm a long-term investor, a short-term investor, a swing trader, scalp trader. I do whatever's right at the time. Like now, for example, I think that Amazon is a buy Remember, it's very expensive, 89 times earnings. Amazon is very expensive. However, it's down. I'm down 7% on it. It's down 3.49. It's not the lowest it's been. It's been as low as 81, and I think we could go lower. What I could do is sell some VU to buy Microsoft. I like where Microsoft is right now. It pays a dividend. Pays a dividend of 1.05, not quite as good as VU or the S&P, but don't buy Amazon before 2nd of February. Why? What's happening on 2nd of February? Is that their earnings? Let me have a look. Amazon. Are you talking about their earnings? Yes, you're talking about their earnings, right? Okay. Yeah, I know what you mean. Expectations are lower. Will they go lower? How long are you going to hold the majority of the J&J shares you bought yesterday? How long? I will keep those probably for years. They are defensive stocks, and we are in a bear market now. We've been in a bear market for a year, and it's still there. There's still more to go. You want defensive stocks that earn a dividend, that protect your portfolio, that will not dramatically drop. And if if they do go down a little bit, you'll buy some. Look at the chart. Steady growth all the time. You buy on these dips here whenever you can. Add to your position. Sometimes it can become overweighted if it's the only thing that's you're buying. And it is a little bit overweighted now. I've got 4% of it in my brokerage, and it also makes up 40% of my Roth IRA. But remember, my Roth IRA is long-term investing. I want stable, secure stocks. Shad, good morning to you. Good morning to you that aren't going anywhere. And right now we are in a bear market. Anyone who tells you we're not is a clown. Anyway. Too expensive. Amazon is, isn't it? I personally wouldn't sell S&P 500 for a stock 89 times earnings. No, I agree. I've got a good position for it anyway. If all tech and retail are disappointing, it makes sense. Amazon will too. Yes, it does make sense. Microsoft, I like because remember, I've got a very small position and I want to increase on it, and it is dramatically down. It's being affected. I don't know if Teams being down is affecting the price. This, to me, looks like a general market. Look, everything is down today. So I want to buy Tesla today. Tesla's interesting. Right, let's do a poll. We are covering Tesla today. Right, this is going to shape the whole market. Will Tesla go up after earnings? Okay. Will Tesla go up after earnings? Earnings tonight, what do you think? Yes or no? Will they go up? Will Tesla stock go up after earnings? In other words, be a good earnings for Tesla. What do you think? Sorry, I've not been around much. We missed you, Shad. We've missed you. We've had lots of new people come on to Discord, and that's your job at the end of the day, your responsibility. You've not been there. What's going on? Because you've been away, I'll let you know. We've got an extra cash giveaway. We've got 3 running now. We've got one today, $10 if we get 100 likes. We've also got this one here. This is the $20 cash prize today. You can win by watching that video. Open another tab, leave the comment Ali Tizro in the comment under the video, and you can be in $20 cash prize. Plus, we have the regular cash prize on on Friday. Today is an earlier show because, as I told you guys, I am 6 days away from being demonetized on my music channel. We are now up to 3,600 watch hours. So if I don't get there in the last 2 days, I will have to take some time off from this channel and go live on my music channel to save it. I don't want to go below 4,000 watch hours. I am below there now, and the end of this month it will refresh, and I don't know what's going to happen. I think I'll be demonetized. So I've been saying all month about it. So today's show is ending half an hour early because I've got to make some more music videos, and I will keep trimming back my hours on this show until I've managed to get my 4,000. I can't let it go to 20. I've had the YouTube channel for like nearly 20 years, and I'm losing it at the moment. So I've got to end today half an hour early. So if you want to help me, all you have to do is go to the music channel. It's right below here on the Investor Channel. Click one of the playlists, any playlist other than the shorts, preferably one of the playlists with more than one video in it, and loop it. If you're choosing one of the playlists with just one video in it, it looks a bit sus from YouTube, if I'm honest. That was good to promote the videos when they came out, but now to watch them consistently, if you've got one video getting watched by the same person 200 times in a day, they can dismiss some of the hours. So pick one of the videos with lots of videos in, one of the playlists with lots of videos, click loop. If you want to help me, I've got about 6 days left to go. So today we'll be finishing at 9 o'clock rather than 9:30. I've got to start slowly getting more hours into my music. Okay. Thank you, Shad. Thank you very much indeed. 22 said the drop is Microsoft basically saying to expect a tough time in the months ahead. Yes, we've got another few months to go with this. Late spring, early summer, we could start turning bullish, but we've got between now and then to go. We've got one final pullback, I think. I don't see it's possible for Tesla to report good earnings. Also, remember that Musk can sell leading up to earnings and is likely to sell straight after. Yes, I think you're right, 22. Elon Musk, has said he won't do it again, but he's lied 3 times. For me, that's too many times. Shad, thank you so much indeed. I'll get back on the playlist now that I have the internet again. Thank you very much, Shad. Thank you very much. I'm leaning towards holding cash in my account and not buy until expected. I know. I that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to start to amass some cash. I'm with you, 22 Grady. I feel it's the market wants to do a big drop to me. Yes. Hard to find link with my phone. Let me show you how you do it. Oh, no, I can't during a show. I can't do it during a show. Bill, it's quite easy. I can't do it. Well, oh, hang on a minute. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Right, look, Bill, this is what you're seeing on your phone. Here's my phone right now. Look, there's playlists. Click a playlist on your phone. Right at the top, there it is. And this is the Investor Channel. So you do it on the Music Channel, right? And then just scroll down. Pick a playlist. Click Play All. Click Play All. And then click Loop. Anything other than... oh, hello, look at that. Did you see that on YouTube there? Did you see that on YouTube? That was interesting. Anyone see that? Brilliant. Some of the stuff... we had this happen before once upon a time. I've been looking on the Music Channel. Nice search history. That's funny. That's funny. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, my gosh. Anyway, where was I? I was trying to watch the video. There we go. That's funny. Nothing like live telly. You gone red? Yeah, it's funny. Anyway, back to the show. Where are we now? Welcome to everybody on LSC. We all know what my watch is. Hello from Abdeli Lamidi from Facebook. How are you? Come on to YouTube. We get a lot of scam on Facebook, so please come on to YouTube and we can talk to you. He's always referring to naked ladies on TikTok. It comes to my YouTube all the time. It's all that ever pops up. Martyn Lucas Pimp Channel. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Malk is in the house. Right, it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. So we've got half an hour before the bell goes, and it is a pretty rubbish day on the markets. Defensive stocks, guys. I'm telling you, be very, very careful. So that's why you asked why I'm getting more J&J, Coca-Cola, because we could have big drops. I want dividend stocks. I want protective stocks. There's more to come. It looks like it. It's quite clear on the door that you know the algos serve. What are some of you? What are some of you? What does that mean? What are some of you? 22. So anyway, let's bring up the scalping or what? We're doing all kinds of things, but Abdelli, come and say hello first of all, before you start asking about what we're doing. Just get to know the family. Come and join us on YouTube, and we'll answer all your questions. Imagine we're real people, like we actually are. Come in, say hello, how are you, and get to know us, and then we support and help people. That's what it's all about. Some people treat the show like we're robots. I like it when people are nice and polite. I just think it's better. That's what this channel is all about. Right, okay. Let's go to a quick commercial break. Are you ready? 10 seconds from now, we'll be right back. You can be in this space if you are a YouTube sponsor. Here comes a commercial break. Here it is. And there we go. We've got our reach for 500,000 now across our entire network and reach of people across all my Facebooks and YouTube, my website, Livestreamer Cafe, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, the whole kit and caboodle. What are some of the swing stocks that you trade, and how long do you hold them? Every stock is different. It depends. It's why I share with you everything live here on the show in front of you as we do it. And you'll notice we are live 10 hours a day. Let's have a look at this. ECB's vassal 50 basis points of hikes at the next 2 meetings are appropriate. Oh dear. iPhone sucks. It doesn't. I just showed you how it works, Bill. I've got an iPhone. I just showed you the iPhone. I just shared with you on the screen exactly how to do it. Getting your money's worth of commercials today, LOL. It's every 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks for your videos, by the way. They help a lot. It's my absolute pleasure. You see what I'm trading. I'm trading and investing live. This is happening live, Right now, I'm just holding. I don't think that we've got a bullish market. I think we're still bearish. I still think there's more to go. That doesn't mean to say I'm not buying. I'm buying when things go to my all-time lows. But I'm fully invested right now. And I'm very heavily into defensive stocks. You can see the S&P 500, you can't get more defensive than that. That's 47% of my portfolio. It pays a decent dividend. It also protects. It's not going to go down 30. I mean, if the S&P went down 10% in a day, right, which it could, technically, anything's possible. If that happens, Virgin Galactic's 50 cents, right? Tesla's $80, $60. So there are stocks that will react much, much worse. Remember, the high-tech risk stocks will react a lot greater, which means greater on the way up and greater on the way down. So in a market like this, you don't want stocks which can swing down 20, 30, 40, 50%, which they can. And if we get another crash, and we've not had a real crash yet. We think it's a crash because it's been down for a year. But if you look at our portfolio over the year, it's been going down consistently. In fact, I'll show it on my phone. It's easier. But that's not a crash. We all think it is, but it really isn't. There you go. If I show you the year, look, 49% down. But it's been very gradual over a year. So yeah, we're down, but that's not a crash. A crash is when it falls off a cliff and That hasn't happened yet, and that could happen. There's a lot of evidence to suggest we do have a big crash coming. So we have to be very, very careful. So having my money in the S&P, J&J, Coca-Cola, stuff like that is very defensive. I think 22 asked me that yesterday. He said, why are you buying so much J&J? Do you think that the markets are going down? Well, there it is. There it is right on the screen. Tesla to 100 or 200 next. Rob Brennan, I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. But it's why I am in the middle. If I thought it was going to go all the way up to $200, I'd buy it. But we've got now analysts lowering the price target for Tesla all the time. I've seen price targets now at 150. We're at 141 right now. The overall markets are down. So I've got 5 shares in my brokerage. You can see it on the screen. I think, do I have anything in my Roth? No. Yes, I do. I have 2 in my Roth. So I've got 7 shares in total. So, and I'm up 21%. So yeah, great. I've got some exposure. I'm in. I've got 7 shares of Tesla. Not too shabby, right? For the size of my portfolio, it's in balance. I mean, it's 2% there and 7% of my Roth. So it's not insignificant. It's not insignificant at all. It's relative. However, I'm ready for it to go a lot lower before it goes higher. If the overall markets tank, then everything's going. Tesla will go down, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. Now, you might say, well, why don't you sell then? Virgin Galactic, I'm up $220. I'm up 27%. Why don't I sell Virgin Galactic? Well, I've got such a small position. I want to be in it if it carries on going, because it could. I don't know. And by the way, was we right again? Remember our friend came in? Last week it was going to fly every day. This week it's going to fly. It didn't fly in today. It isn't flying this week. People keep coming in to saying it's going to fly. It isn't. We're not there yet. And when it does, I will know about it. I speak to people at Virgin all the time. So it's not happening. So that could drop today. But if it does, I'd like to buy more. I'm not going to sell it. Even though I'm up 27%, I want to be in it. It's such a small position. I want to be in it should it keep on going. Anyway, I just sold 15,000 shares of Lucid. That's half. I think that's very sensible. Also sold all of Rivian. We are still in a bear market. Mohammed, I think that's the right thing to do. Who thinks that's the right thing to do? Well, Tesla got after earnings 54% say no. I think that's the right thing to do, mate. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't know your position. I don't know what your need for the money is. I don't know how much profit you've got. I mean, did you have a profit in it? Or was you selling at a loss? I don't know, do I? What are your thoughts on Altria? I'll have a quick look in a second, Malk. Let me get to the end of the comments. I'm looping on my iPhone music. I have to get off Twitch to do this. More important. Yes, thank you, Mike. Bill probably doesn't have an iPhone 14 Plus Pro. Yeah, that's it. Remember that the other day, Rob Brennan. Oh, Rob, did you not Neve Brennan, your wife? I made her a commercial video. Did you see it? Did you see it? Look, here it is. This is Neve Brennan. You go on to Martyn Lucas Investor and you go across to Superfans playlist. And there you go. There is Neve. See? People promote their TikTok channels. If you become a subscriber to my channel just by clicking the start during a live show, I not only follow you back, but I make you a commercial like this. This is Neve Brennan, who is a birth trauma survivor and has a wonderful TikTok channel, and she would love your support. So please go and check her out. Go and have a look at her videos and like and engage. And if you become a subscriber to my platform, I'm here to help you. I only ever follow my subscribers and members on YouTube because that way I can actively engage and promote your channel. So good luck to Neve Brennan. Go and check her out. I wish you all the very, very best. Take care. There you go. So that's what I made for Rob Brennan's wife the other day. So if you go onto my TikTok and you look in the playlist or near the top, that's one of my latest videos. And I've tagged Neve Brennan in that. And it's one of the perks you get as a member to my channel. I'm here to grow your social media and help you. Would the Dow be more defensive? I honestly don't know the answer to that. I think a good ETF, defensive stocks, and I can't recommend high enough, in my opinion, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and J&J. Very defensive. It's where it's where the old money goes. Anyway, there we go. Let me come back out of that for a minute and go back into the live feed on TikTok. Right. Okay. If you want a commercial like that for your TikTok channel, just go to TikTok and become a subscriber. Hit the little star at the top. See the little star at the top? I've got 6 subscribers. Can you see it? If you click on the star, you'll become a subscriber, and I'll make a commercial video for you and promote your channel, and it will help you grow. Tag you in it and all that other good stuff. We haven't had panic and capitulation yet. It's been a slow bleed for a year. A huge drop will be the end of the bear market. It's what I'm waiting for, says 22. But what we could do, if you think like that, is sell everything and buy back. Lowering price target. Who's lowering a price target from 300 to 250, 60% upward, upside? I'm not sure what stock you're talking about. No analysts are calling it a sell. No idea what Arnold's talking about. He's not naming the stock. He's just put in the comment. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, let's go. I had profit. Thank you, Leah. Thank you. Nice cup of coffee from Leah, Mike. Wow, tons of followers today on TikTok. I think we're nearly at 32. Is it 32,000 now? Wow, we're really growing on TikTok, aren't we? It's a very helpful channel. And it grows my portfolio very, very nicely here on my YouTube audience. So if you're watching me on TikTok, you can get 2 things right now. If you click the star when it appears and become a subscriber, I'll make a video for you like I did for Neve Brennan. And I'll also, if you become my top gifter, if you tap the little roses, I will follow you back during the show. I only follow my top gifters as a thank you, and that's why I've only got like 40, 50 followers. People that I follow. It's so I can engage with people. I don't follow everyone because I want to help people, and there's no point me engage. I don't do follow for follow. The scammers who pretend to be me do that, and that's silly, and that's how you can tell that I'm the real Martyn Lucas. There's over 100 on TikTok pretend to be me, and if I ever message you, it's not me. I don't message anyone. I don't sell anybody anything. I give away money, but I never sell it. I never sell you anything. Just respond to whatever the stock price does, though. Rob Brennan, I agree with you. Yes, I did. Thanks very much. You're very welcome. Great. What are your thoughts on HLBC? Let me come back to some of these. Good morning, Martyn and Martyn Investor Family. Octavio. Martyn, you might be better off in VDC than VU. Take a look at VDC, Consumer Staples ETF. Much more defensive. VDC. Let me take a look at that. We bought another stock last night. Do you remember the VDC? I've got to study that one. VDC. Vanguard Consumer Staples ETF. Even more of a defensive stock. Let me have a look at this. Right, let's have a little look at this one. 2.3 30-day yields. Expense ratio 0.1. Okay, what's in it? So what's in it? Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Walmart, Costco, Philip Morris. Yeah. Okay. Procter & Gamble, PG. 13%. He likes that. Top 10. That's interesting. That's an interesting proposition. Let me hold on to that for the minute. Duplicate that one, and then let's go back into Vue. Yeah, I'll have a look at that. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much. Good morning, Octavio. Procter & Gamble company, 13%, Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Walmart. Some great companies there. Thanks, Leah. Neve's gone from 80,000. Neve's gone from 80,000 views and 3,000 likes to over 160,000 views and 5,000 likes. Thanks very much again, Martin. What, in one day? I should charge for this service. This is too good. What are you... Really? That's incredible. What, in one day? Bloody hell. Not since yesterday, since I promoted her, surely. Since I promoted her yesterday, no way. That's incredible. I'm not that good. I mean, is that since yesterday? Tell me, is that true? Is that since yesterday? Because that's ridiculous. Anyway, Tesla, no analyst has a price target besides Gordon Johnson below current price, says Arnold Palmer. Thanks, Andrew. Smash the likes, 28 watching. See, that's incredible. He's good, but not that good. Double the likes and views. Is that right? In one day? That's pretty impressive. I know I'm the greatest YouTuber in the world, and we have the best YouTuber in the channel on YouTube. And so Elton John named me World Piano Man. So at the end of the day, you know, what can I say? Maybe I am that good. Maybe from now on, yes, since yesterday. I'm the greatest YouTuber in the world then. Yes, since yesterday. She only posted her first video 3 days ago, though, so she's doing quite well. Wow, if he's that good, might need to go subscribe on TikTok. Well, that's what I do for everyone. Everyone who's a subscriber has said they gained subscribers. I've just not checked in on anybody. But yeah, it makes kind of sense. I have 31,500 followers, right? And I make a video for you and I promote you live on the show. Shad, did you see it? Did you see what I made? We've got 10 minutes ago, so we're not going to miss anything. So look, this is my TikTok. In fact, I'm going to make a video about this right now. Watch. Okay, I'm going to make a video. You ready? This will be fun. Okay, let me do this. Okay, you ready? I'm going to make a video on this. How to grow on TikTok and YouTube. I love nothing more than helping people. It's how we have the highest engagement rate of any YouTube channel in the world when it comes to live viewers who are paid members, 95%. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did. This is my TikTok channel, and as you can see, I'm live right now, and I'm making this during a live YouTube show. I have 31.2 thousand followers. Not that shabby, right? I've been doing it for about maybe 8 months, 9 months, something like that. Growing pretty well. But one thing I love to do is help people. So what you do is this. If I go into my live feed right now, you can see me live. See right at the top, a little star appears. See the little star just there? That's called the subscriber star. Now, if you subscribe to my channel, doing a live show is the only time you can do it. What do? I go to work for you because I want you to have as many followers as me. And I'm going to prove it actually works. So, if you look across the top, into my Superfans playlist, a couple of days ago, I made these for a few people. Look. And there we go. This is the one we're talking about. This is Neve Brennan. Neve Brennan subscribed to me, and her husband is a member on YouTube. So I helped those people, and I made this commercial. So listen in, and I'll show you the result. Pretty impressive, right? Who is a birth trauma survivor and has a wonderful TikTok channel, and she would love your support. So please go and check her out. Go and have a look at her videos and like and engage. And if you become a subscriber to my platform, I'm here to help you. I only ever follow my subscribers and members on YouTube because that way I can actively engage and promote your channel. So good luck to Neve Brennan. Go and check her out. I wish you all the very, very best. So there you go. That's the video I made. And now, you want to know the results? In one day, in one day. This is Neve Brennan's wife who just posted this on the screen. This is what he put on the screen in the chat on YouTube right now. Neve's gone from 80,000 views and 3,000 likes to over 160,000 views and 5,000 likes. Thanks very much again, Martyn. It's my absolute pleasure. So there are many ways you can promote your YouTube and your TikTok channels. Never ever pay for advertisement. I never do ads. Never do ads. The best way is creating great content. So most of it is probably down to Neve anyway. But engage with a other YouTuber or other TikToker that will help you. And that is what my channel is all about, helping people. So if you are a member of my YouTube channel, I will get you more subscribers during my YouTube shows. If you are a TikToker and you subscribe to me on TikTok, I will do exactly what I just did there for Neve. And that literally doubled in one day. We did it yesterday. So there you go. If you want to grow on YouTube and TikTok, the number one way is make great content consistently. Every day, I'm live 10 hours a day. And make friends with other influencers, other YouTubers and TikTokers that will help you. And I love to help people. The best thing you can do is engage in another social media influencer who has a big reach. I have over 500,000 across my entire reach of all my platforms together. And I'm here to help and share everyone. And the reason why I share and help everyone, the more I grow, the more you grow. And guess what? The more you grow, the more I grow again. It's a loop. We're all here to help each other. Congratulations to Neve Brennan. I'm so chuffed about that. Until next time, take care of each other. I just realized I need to add a little piece there. So if you want to grow on TikTok, YouTube, any other social media, look below in the description of this video and you'll find my TikTok and all my social media, plus the link to Live Streamer Cafe. It's the best way to live stream. I'm not going to tell you any more about it because we've got a big release in a few weeks, in a couple of weeks' time. It's my own platform. I built something that I know is better than Facebook, better than YouTube, better than TikTok. We built it for ourselves. It was built for artists, whatever type of streamer you are. We know that this is going to be better than any of those things combined, and I will prove it in an upcoming video. All right, and then it takes to the other part of the video. So there we go. Let me mark that time. We've got 6 minutes to go. That was 25 minutes. 25 mins. Tick. Tock. There we go. All right, let's come back onto the main show. Where are we? Scrolling down. Might need to. I did. If he's that good, might need to go and subscribe. I did. Did you subscribe to me? Shad. No. She gained about 30 followers too. Ah, good. Then I liked them the other night. Rob's been promoted to a wife. Is what? Did I say wife, Rob Brennan? I like I said, I sold a lot of EV shares, bought more Tilray. Okay, how do you have almost as many followers as likes on TikTok? How do you have almost as many followers as likes on TikTok? Neve has 5,000 plus likes now, but less than 200 followers. She's only been doing it 3 days, though. I'm very proud of how she's doing. Very nice. You should be proud, absolutely. She's working hard by doing it, right? Anyone deserves our support. Okay, just a couple of minutes to go before the bell goes. We've missed a commercial break, and let me see if we can give. Oh, we got third. Right, we've got a really good audience right now. If we get to 100 likes, we've got half an hour to go before the show ends. I've got to go off early to make more music videos because my music channel will be soon monetized. Yeah, you said Neve's wife has messaged us. Neve's wife. Okay, so what can I say? I'll put a thing on the screen. Oops, husband. Okay, so here we go. What we want to do now is we're going to put a minute on the clock. And we're going to get 40 likes in 1 minute. And if we get to 100 likes in the next half an hour, we're giving a cash prize away on the show, live in the show. All right, there we go. I'll pay it out in cash, live in the show. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Apple Pay, any of those things. You ready? Okay, here we go. Smash the like button. Let's bring it up on the screen so you can see. Here we go. We've got, they are 20, 21. Going up. We want 40 likes in 1 minute. Got 30 seconds to go. If we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, we've got half an hour. I will give a cash prize live in the show, immediately paid out in front of everyone to see. 2 minutes to the madness, indeed. Come on, 22. 22 likes, just a few seconds to go. Let's end the timer. 23. Now then, I've got a technical glitch there I want to fix. Let me get rid of Mr. Mini-Me. Let me get rid of the thumb. And let me fix this. Whoops, a daisy. Credits. We've got time. I'll fix it quickly. Flipping heck. It's going to be tight. It's going to be tight. That needs to be back there. And add in the credits again. Okay, that's good. Right, okay, we're back where we need to be. We're 25 likes now, a minute to go. Here we go. Welcome to the madness. Does anyone watching the live request video on YouTube for your music channel, does watching the live request video on YouTube for your music channel add? Yes. Yes. Yes, it does. Every single thing apart from shorts. However, shorts on the 1st of February will count as well. So in another 6 days, shorts will count. But right now, any video, live videos, pre-recorded, it doesn't matter. Any of the videos work, just not the shorts. Thank you, William Parkinson, for stepping up and helping out. Thank you very much indeed. I've got to get off today half an hour earlier because I've got to rescue my music channel. I was in Euro Disney Paris when I won the World Piano Man. I can't let my channel be demonetized. I can't. I love this channel more than anything else, but I can't let it fail. I've got 5 days left. Okay, or 6 days left. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, you're going to get paid on shorts soon, Shad. It's exciting that. I make a lot of shorts. They never do amazingly well, but they always get 1,000 views, so it's not, you know, massive, but it's some income. Right, 1.73. We're falling off a cliff today. Is this the final drop? But again, let's get it in context. It's always worth stepping back and going, yeah, but hang on a minute. You're up nearly 6% year to date. You know, let's not get carried away. I've got more shares now than I had before. 3 weeks ago, I had, $2,000 a month I bring in. So I brought in $2,000 in the last month, thereabouts. So I bought a lot more stocks at lower prices. So it's good. And I'll continue to do that. We got 25 likes. We're a quarter of the way. 26 likes right now. Okay. Okay. The S&P is going down 1.89. Sorry, the overall portfolio is down 1.89. The S&P is down 1.1. That's that new stock we're looking at. Virgin Galactic. It's going to fall off a cliff today. Now, you might say, well, why don't you sell? Such a small profit. I want to stay in it because, remember, it'll bounce back first. I hope it goes down, wipes out my profit, and allows me to buy back because it will come back. All right? but I want to keep it. If I had 2,000 shares right now, I would have sold half, which is what I've already done, which is why I'm down to 200, right? Which is why I'm down to 200. I don't want to sell this. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Remember why I sold half? And I got some flack for it. It was the right thing to do, folks. I sold half of my Rivian. Remember, when you no longer believe in a stock or you think it's going down, people go, sell it. Well, remember, you can always sell part of it. There we go. Next, Extra Energy. Their earnings going down. We knew this was going to happen. They beat on earnings. Next, Extra Energy. However, their stock is down. They beat on earnings and their stock is down. See, nothing makes any sense anymore. Look at that. The stock is down on Next Extra Energy. They beat on earnings. But the reason why it's probably down is, again, the forecast might not look too good, but the estimation, was lowered so much. We were expecting, the estimation was so low. For the stock to pop, it needed to go to here, somewhere in this region here. But it beat it, though. It beat it. At the end of the day, it beat earnings, but the estimation was so low. Still making profits. This is one to buy right now because it beat earnings and it's down only 6%. If you like solar like I do, I like that. So, is anything making me money? I can buy that. Next, Extra Energy. A limit order. Can I buy a fractional share? No, I can't, can I? You can't. Not if you do that. It's going down, and they beat earnings. Next, Extra Energy beat earnings. And it pays a dividend, a decent dividend. I like it. I want to buy it now down at 6% as it beat earnings. So I haven't got any money, though. I mean, I've got $52. I mean, it's insignificant, right? A market order, shares, dollars. I mean, it's not even worth it. I've got no money, and we got a lot lower to go. There's no point trying to buy $40 of it. It's pointless, really. Just followed Mrs. Brennan on TT. Great. That was quite a little case study for your TikTok promotions. Rob Brennan, thank you. Martin, roll the credits. Does anyone watching the live videos on music channel? Yes, I answered that. How is Tesla looking? I'll come back to that now. I have a buy at 72. It's down because it's only went up point. Yeah, exactly. It's the expectations was so low. We were hoping for it to do much better than that. Down 1.8. The S&P down. You think that is a good dividend look at GSBD, 11.7. Wow, but remember, though, you need the growth as well, though. The high dividend stocks like that tend to have a negative growth. Tesla, still too expensive in my book. It's now trading at 44 times earnings. It's still expensive. It's really important to, clarify that. Look, Tesla is still 44 times earnings. Lucid, Apple, Amazon. Let's have a cup of coffee and think. You think that is a good dividend? Look at, I've been trading it. It seems all right. Flooded edits. Thank you very much indeed. If I get a chance to look, I will. McDonald's popped up, going back down again. Coca-Cola going up. J&J There you go. There's my defensive stock. Money's going into defensive stocks. There you go. It does it every time. So J&J, I am out of the money by $8, and it's going up. Look, it's protecting my entire portfolio. It's my insurance policy. So I'm down $7 on my Roth. If we go to the brokerage account, I'm actually up $2.72. Nice. It pays a dividend. It protects my money. It holds its value. It was sold off yesterday. The earnings going forward was okay. We need like 2 or 3 days for it to digest and people start buying in again. And when we see the markets going down like this is where the money will go. You want to be where the money is going when the markets go down. You want to be right there. Anyway, Google. Microsoft. I'd like to buy it. But you know, I can. This is the one thing about not having margin. It gives you discipline to have patience. It'd be too easy now. Turn on margin and go, hey, let's buy next extra energy. Let's buy this. Let's buy that. I've got about $50,000 of margin to use. I could be buying $1,000 of this, $1,000 of that, all over the place. However, then next week we're down another 10%, and then you go, oh shit, right? It allows me to go, have patience. We are in a bear market. Things are still going down. Things are going to get probably worse before they get better. You can wait until Tuesday when you get paid from your gig on Saturday, which is how it works for me. 21st of February, we will still be in a bear market in February. I get paid from YouTube. I'll have another a batch of money to bring in, about $2,000 a month across all my income streams. So wait. Whereas if you've got margin, you just go buy. It's going down. Remember, this isn't a crash. It can go a lot lower than this. It's very easy to get carried away and think we're at the bottom now. It's all going to be great. No, there's more to come. Luckily, I can't trade margin. I'm not willing to lose 500 or more. Mr. Clockworks, exactly, Martin. There you go. Good morning, Ed Nevius. I haven't forgotten everybody asked me to review stocks. We're just trying to keep an eye on what's going on at the moment. I'm looking for something that can pop, take some profit, and buy. But the good news is, look, my pretty defensive portfolio is resisting at the moment. It's resisting. See why I kept Virgin Galactic? I don't want to be out of it. I would if I had 2,000 shares. I would sell half, which is what I did. And then now I'm down to 200 shares. So I still want to be in it. There'll be some movement there. Look, things are recovering. And how many times have we done this where we sell everything or we sell something? Oh, it's all going down. Let me get out. And then what happens? It starts going up and you go, oh, bloody hell. Right? It happens all the time. So there's a balance. You can sell some of your shares. Keep yourself in the game, well, take some profits. If you're up, take some profits. Understand the market. Are we in a bear market or a bull market? Are things likely to get worse? Have a defensive portfolio that will protect your money. Don't over margin if you use margin. You know, all these things to weigh up. Safer to buy huge cash cows like Google, I think, as they're never going to zero if they're making billions of profit each quarter. Rob Brennan, totally. There we go. Tesla, earnings tonight. So, Lucid. Look at Lucid coming back. So you sold half, right? For a profit. That was the right thing to do. So how do you feel now? How do you feel now that Lucid is coming back and you sold half? Looking to buy Doge soon, says Ali. Ali, I'm going to take some time this afternoon to go back to your video, the old videos, and update your link. Okay, because Ali's link needs updating. So I want to make sure that we update the links for Ali Tizro. I'll be doing that this afternoon. Today's show is going to be shorter because I've got now 6 days left to save my music channel. So I'm doing an early show. I've got to start making some more music videos. I've got to start going live on my music videos. And if by the last 2 days of the month, if I've not hit 4,000 watch hours, I will be taking some days off from the Investor Channel. I don't want to do that, but I will do because I've had my music channel for 20 years and I can't let it fail. All right, so there you go. If you want to help me out, we're now at 3,600, by the way. Thanks to Mike, Stephen Lewandowski, Bill, Crag, I think it is doing it as well. I think Shad has been doing it. He's just lost internet, but he's back on it again. There's about 5 people doing it. If we could get everyone doing it, we'd be there in no time. So go to the music channel on my homepage of the Investor Channel. Click on a playlist, any playlist. Now, could I ask, there are people doing it, and Bill is one of those people. Bill, can you click a playlist with more than one song in it? Because to YouTube, it looks like... it looks dodgy when one video is getting played like 100 times in a day. It needs to be a playlist with multiple videos in it, or some long videos. Some of my live shows, you know, the live shows where they're all an hour long. It looks more realistic. If you're clicking a playlist with one video in it, and it does it 100 times, it kind of looks like what it is, right? So we don't want that. Anyway. We've got 15 minutes to go before I'm out of here. I've got an earlier show today because, as I say, I've got to make some more music videos. So we're going to cut back time until I can rescue my channel. Got the Martyn Lucas chart show running. There you go. That works fine. That works fine. All that long videos, that's brilliant. Yes, it happens to me a lot. I sell when I'm up, and then when I sell it, it jumps up. I hate it sometimes. Don't worry about that. Looking to buy Doge soon, says Ali Tizro. We've still got our, this is talking about Ali Tizro. Let's bring you up to date with that. This is our Ali Tizro challenge, which you all know. The links are below, but hold fire. We need to update the links. So I need to go and do that. But this is where we are right now. As you can see, we've still got $1,000. We haven't bought anything yet. Ali hasn't given me any go signals to buy any crypto at all. We're waiting, and there's my position. And let's have a quick look and see where my Bitcoin is today. What the day? There we go. On the day, it's down 1%. So Bitcoin's holding pretty firm at the moment. Let's read some of these comments. Got the Martyn. Thank you, thank you, Crag. When S&P drops below 3,400, sell your children, wives, cars, livers, and start buying Mr. Clockwork. I think it's a good time for an ad break. Andrew is helping too. Yes, Andrew. Rob Brennan, I have just become a Lucas Looper. There's a Ukraine playlist with 43 songs in, which looks like the best bet. There you go, Rob Brennan. Thank you very much indeed. We'll get there with 3,600 with 5 days to go. What is going on with Rocket Lab today? Successful launch drops like a stone at market open. High-risk stocks, yeah, it's... honestly, I wish I knew the answer sometimes to these things. But is Dogecoin pronounced dodgy coin? Yeah, should be, shouldn't it? Elon Musk all over it. S&P. In fact, should we just have a quick look at Rocket Labs a second? RKLB, I think it is. Rocket Labs. Let me just have a look, see how it's doing. It had a successful flight last night. No, don't. That's not bad at all. That's normal market volatility in the morning. It's coming back, still up. It's up 13%. Remember, it was already priced in. Very often, these things are priced in. So you know, if it had crashed and had been a disaster like Virgin Orbit was, down it goes. It hasn't really moved very much. Remember, it's already popped 13%. It was expected to be successful, and it was. So you've already had the rewards. I Loop the Drive Home Show, 78 videos on repeat. Oh, that is great. That is great. Okay, we've got 15 minutes to go. I'm just going to check in then and see how the videos are going. So update all your hard work to show you what you're doing. So bear with me. I'll have it on the screen in a second. All right. So let me go to the Martyn Lucas channel and let's have a look what you're all up to. You don't have to leave comments if you don't want to. You don't have to do likes. You don't have to do any of those things. It's about the watch time right now. Oh, that's good. I've gained subscribers. That's good. I've gained some more subscribers. That's good, because when you don't get any, when all you get is watch time and no subscribers, that also looks a bit odd as well. But that's good to see. Right, let's have a little look. I can see it moving. Oh, yes. Here we go. This is what we're looking at right now. Can you see it? There you go. So Ukraine hurts. Everybody hurts. That one there. Everybody hurts. Now, that's probably Bill. He's watching Everybody Hurts over and over again, which is good. Look, 10 views. All back. Look, boom, 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 boom. It's best to pick a playlist with lots of songs in it. Otherwise, it looks a bit dodgy. YouTube look at that and go, hang on a minute. The same person has watched it 10 times in an hour. All right. So just pick a playlist like others are doing right now, and you can see all these ones. So it's going through a playlist. But look at that. 31 views. But it's not about the views. It's about the watch time that's adding up. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for doing that. Appreciate you all very, very much indeed. Maybe it was Martyn's videos constantly running that killed my router. Probably. Martyn, do you think that you have enough shares of space? What do you plan to invest with your monthly income? Well, it's a very straightforward plan. Rob Brennan, I will answer that question for you right now. What I've been doing is only in the last couple of months, in fact, what, 6 weeks, 7 weeks? Maybe, yeah, 6, 7 weeks. Robinhood released the Roth IRA, right? Which I think is a phenomenal idea because it gives me a day trading brokerage account and a long-term investing account. Up to now, it's only been one. So let's have a look at that. So this is what we're doing, Rob. This is my Roth IRA. Started just a few weeks ago. You can only put $7,500 in here and you get a match. Robinhood will give you a 1% match. So what I want to do, because bearing in mind I'm now focusing on my pension and my future, I am maxing out. Now, because they started it this year, right, I've got some catching up to do. I've got until April to put $7,500 in here. So all of my $2,000 a month that's coming in is going into my 2022 Roth. Look, I'm over halfway there. I've earned $37.30 for free by doing it. Thank you very much, Robinhood. They're giving me a match. So each Roth will earn me $70 if I max it out, which is free money, right? Tax free. Hold on to for 5 years, whatever. So you can see my Roth has got 3.7. So when I get paid now on on YouTube and my gigs, all the money, and for the Roth, it has to be new money. All the money goes straight into my Roth and gets me to $7,000 as quickly as possible. That's where my money's going, and then I buy shares with it. I've got J&J, Coca-Cola, remember, long-term investing, VU. I've got some VORB for long-term, Tesla, Amazon, and Coinbase, which was Ali Tizro, 43% up, by the way. It's my best performing stock. Thank you, Ali Tizro, by the way. And I'm holding all of this. Now, once I've done 22, I will then move to 23. I haven't started it yet because I've got until April to finish this one off. So the next $7,000, the next 2 months, next 2.5 months will go into here. A little bit will go into the brokerage, but majority will go into there to buy stocks. After that, it'll go all back into the brokerage again. So my brokerage account says 34, so not much money is coming in right now, but it is there. Look, I've got a balance now of 38.5. So you can see that's my overall wealth. Makes sense? So that's my plan. And it makes sense because I've got 34 grand in my brokerage account. I want to get 14 grand, obviously, right, into my pension for the future where I leave it. I get a match, I get free money, it's tax-free. Leave it alone, buy solid stocks. And what I'll be buying, Rob, to answer your question, is stocks I can leave and forget. And no, they'll never go bankrupt. They'll never disappear. So I'm buying, majority is VU, J&J, Coca-Cola, stuff I could just leave for 10 years knowing I'm going to be up probably double in 10 years at least and just forget about it, right? And then once I've maxed out the Roth, I'll be straight back into the brokerage account. Does that make sense? So Ali Tizro, our sponsor, we're talking about his challenge right now, and I'll give you a little taster of what that is again. So if I go into Ali Tizro's tips, remember you can get Ali's Discord channel directly from this link here. This is his link directly. However, if you want to get a 15% discount to his service, because it's a premium service, and he'll do charts for you, analysis for you, and all that great stuff, if you are a YouTube member of mine, go through my server to connect to his server, and you get a 15% discount, which basically gives you virtually my membership nearly for free, like half price virtually. So anyway, there is the Discord server of mine, and there is his. If you want to become a member and get all my perks and benefits, this is one of the extra perks and benefits now that you get discounts to my sponsors' services. Pretty good, right? And when you get there, this is what you'll see. This is Ali Tizro's server. This is the T's channel. He will do all these technical charts for you. He will answer your questions. He'll do all the hard work for you. Very, very good stuff. So if you want to be in crypto and you don't want to be worried or concerned, and you just think, well, you know what, I fancy, I'll have $100. We have a 1,000 to 10,000 challenge, or 7,000 to 100,000 challenge. Or you might go, well, I've only got $100. Fine, divide it by 10 and just follow it, and you can be involved here. And we're going to show everything on the screen. Everybody will see everything that we do, and more importantly, I will be buying it as well, along with you, and we'll see how we get on. But there you go. There's Ali Tizro's server. Have a little look at that, all right? Now then, let me go into the Discord server, and if anyone's in the Welcome All channel, I can upgrade you. We've got 485. Ali, a good thing for you as well, promoting your services. When we hit 500, by the way, 15 to go, we'll be a public server. We'll be searchable. So we only need 15 more members to our server. So if you're watching right now, it's free to be a member of our server. We just upgrade you and give you premium services when you become a YouTube member. We only need 15 more members, 15 more people on our server, and we'll be a public server. That's very exciting. Right. Okay. Now then, how many likes have we got on the video? Over there on TikTok, we've got loads of new followers. Thank you very much indeed. We've not got a top gifter today. Nobody won the top gifter competition today. And let's see if we can give away a cash prize on our show. No cash prize today. We need 100 likes to do that. So let's see if we can get to 40 likes in 1 minute. And we've got 5 minutes to go to get to the end of the show to give away a cash prize if we can get to 100. So here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Smash the like button, and let's see if we can get 28, 29. Come on, let's get to at least 30, guys. Tesla, big day today. There's Ali Tizro's Discord link in the server, in the chat. 30%. We've got 5 minutes to go. It's an earlier show because I've got to get out of here. I've got to start putting more time into my music channel, at least until I get 4,000 watch hours anyway. Hopefully we do that. 30, 20 seconds to go. $12 seconds to go. Are we going to do it? Not going to get to 100 today. No. Okie dokie. All right, we got day trader of the day coming up in a second as well. The overall markets are still selling off. Let's have a look now. We are down on the S&P, down 1.34. What is Ali up to now? He was 31 members yesterday, and let me have a look. He's now up to 32. Very nice indeed, Ali. Very, very nice indeed. Obviously, you've got a bit of stunted growth at the moment because, as you know, you upgraded the link to your server. Ali made the mistake that I made when I first started my server. Released an invitation link that expires. I did the same thing. I had to go back and replace it. Now he's got a lifetime invitation. I did the same thing. So we all fell into that trap. But because of that, all my videos that are getting watched all the time are showing the old link, which is not good, Ali, right? Not good. So I know it's not my fault, you know, it is what it is, but I want to go back for you anyway and go back to the old videos and update it. It'll take me a bit of time to do that. I will try and do it this afternoon if I can, but people are watching the old videos, looking below in the description and clicking on the link, and I know that because I can see what people are clicking on, and it's the wrong link. So that's not helping right now. So actually you're doing really well considering that all the links now are out of date. So we need to update the links, okay? And I need to do that for you. Let's have a look. Appreciate member will always get full support. I struggle to understand cryptos, investing in something that doesn't exist, hoping that it goes up. Pete Davids, well, that's what Ali Tizro's there for, to help you. And that's why I'm buying it on the screen. I believe that crypto, as dodgy as you might feel it is, and I get it. For me, I'm a long-term investor. I like staples. I like solid companies that make profit. I'm very much like old school of that sort of thing, but I still believe a lottery ticket is a good idea. I still believe that crypto, 1 to 5% of your portfolio, is a good idea. So even though it's very speculative and you might not understand it, 1 to 5% is relevant, I think. All right. If I didn't, I wouldn't have Ali sponsoring my show. I wouldn't be buying it with my own money. All right. Watching Unchained Melody. Never knew you had hair, Martin. I used to. That makes sense. I wish I had held 1,000 shares of space in a separate account forever. Rob, we've all been there, mate. Never too late. I got my own domain and then share that, and it's a redirect. I can update if needed. Not exactly. That is exactly why, Shad, I don't use Linktree for that very point. I have when I share all my links. When I share my links, what I do, similar to what you're saying there, is I have martynlucas.com/links, and I'm going to post that in the chat for you there now. See, there's my, because if you use any of the ready-made links or the link, I hate Linktree. I don't know why anyone uses Linktree. Is anybody using Linktree? Use your own website. Don't rely on someone else's server. Just do your own. It's the best advice I can give anyone who wants to promote themselves. But anyway, look, there's my all links button. And then I can update everything. I'm just like you, Shad, see? And when I go below here, here's all my links I can update. So if I had an invitation to Discord, everyone's going to my links page and then my links update here. See? All the different things. So there you go. Makes sense, right? Martin, you are very knowledgeable and I admire you for this. Thank you so much indeed. The more you learn you don't know, right? Okay, it's time to end the show. I have to get off early because, as I said before, I have to rescue my music channel. So I've got to go. Just looking at your studio says it all. Well, thank you so much indeed. There's a lot you can't see, actually. There's monitors and screens off camera that I use to monitor things, outputs. We've got the solar pack down here, which runs if I go off air. If I lose power, backup internet, all these things. Anyway, Just looking at your studio says it all. Thank you very much. Right. We have to get out of here right now. Thanks for all the followers on TikTok today. We've now got 6 subscribers on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. ENC is up ENSC is up 115%. Very nice indeed. Sorry I didn't get a chance to check on some of the stocks today. I'll make up for it later. I have noticed a few gadgets around, a few stream decks. Oh, I've got 3. I've got 3 stream decks. Can you see that actually? Where can you see that? Camera 1. So let's have a look. Camera 2. Camera 2. Camera 2. Yeah, there's a there's a stream deck just there. There's 2 stream decks over there. I don't think you can see those, can you? If I put that on, oh, there you go. Here you go. I'm going to give you a view you never see. I don't think you ever see this view, do you? All right, here we go. You ready? Let me move out the way. There you go. There's a stream deck. There's a stream deck. More monitors. More monitors on all the cameras. There you go. That's the other part of the studio. Under the piano, there are 14 foot switches. There are 14 foot switches. Yeah. There are 14 foot switches under the piano. I notice your movements when you change scenes too. And I guess you use pedals. Yes, 14 pedals under the piano. Anyway, I've got to get out of here. That's because Martyn is a pro. A lot of guys who make films have said to me when they watch my production movies, you know, all the music videos with all the production, they said you have at least 2 cameramen, right? 2 or 3. Because how do you manage to focus and keep everything? The lights are all changing, the sound's changing, the microphones, the sound stages are all moving. The cameras are all moving, the focus points are all changing, exposure rates, all this kind of stuff. You must have people, and then when you edit stuff, I was looking at a Meet Kevin video yesterday, and he has an army of people doing his editing, and his stuff doesn't even need editing. It's got no, right? Well, my music production videos, I will tell you now, folks, that my music production videos, what I'm doing with those and the way I make them, there are other YouTubers who will spend a minimum of a week making them with the edits. They record the cameras separately, put them together, get the footage, da-di-da-di-da, all the edits. I actually make those production movies within, and that's from the moment I start singing the song and producing the actual raw rushes, the footage, to editing, to uploading, within an hour to 2 hours, the whole thing. It's because I spent the first year before I even went online building this studio so I could be efficient, so I could make what people say would take a week or 2 weeks to make, I can make in an hour. So it makes my studio extremely efficient. So I can go live 10 hours a day and still put out 5 videos and 10 shorts, which I do on average most days. That's why. Yeah, I haven't got time to mix all the cameras. That's why I do it live. There are actually 5 cameras in here, and the different foot switches will change between different cameras as I'm singing, as I'm playing, and the lights will change. I've got foot switches for the lights as well and everything else. So everything's made. So all I'm doing then is I've got a preset for the sound levels I use, preset for the EQs, the color grading, and then I put in my B-roll. I know exactly where I'm going to put it before I make the video, so I can visualize where it's going to go. Put it in, upload it, done. You know, otherwise it wouldn't. When I first started doing this, it was taking me 2 weeks to make a video without the B-roll that I use. Multiple cameras, all separate sources, bringing them in. So you're basically mixing your video live. Yeah, I'm mixing it live, but I'm also doing the sound and the lights at the same time as well. Because over here to my right, you can't see it, but I've got a valve amp, which gives me the compression, the effects, and then I've got all the different sensors that I use for the movement of lights to keep everything in focus and exposure. So all of that is mixed live as well. It just happens live. Anyway, I have started making music, some shorts during my live shows, taking a leaf out of your book. Shorts is the way to go, especially from the 1st of February. Anyway, I've got to get out of here. I've gone over time. I need to get out of here and make the music videos. I've got to save my channel. So let me go to my overall position. Day trader of the day. We can't miss any features out. It's what you come for, right? All the features. 2.03% down. I should have written down first, but it doesn't matter. I've done it back to front for the first time. Never mind. It's getting better all the time, though. I'm going to give you a really quick timer. Trashbow 3 player. If you are a YouTuber, I can help get you subscribers if you become a member of my channel. It's what we do. We help everyone. I guarantee you 100% if you are a YouTuber, I will get everybody to subscribe to your YouTube channel today if you become a YouTube member. It's what we do. We're the most supportive channel on YouTube. It's why we have the highest engagement rate of live viewers who are members. The highest on YouTube. All right, here come the scores. Oh, I'm Flooded Edit. It's the same account. Ah, okay. Same person. All right, I'm with you now. Right. Down 0.53, down 2.34. This is my streaming account. Excellent stuff. Uh-huh. Martyn Lucas, idea for your music channel. Can you not record a bunch of songs from your list and put them together on loop as a 24-hour live stream? Yes, I can. I've done that before. Yeah, I've done that before. I've got thousands of videos I can loop and play. However, all my systems are used. There's no systems available to run to be able to do that, unfortunately. And so yeah, it's a little live. It won't count as a video, but it's a live. It won't count as a video. It still counts as watch time. It's a live. It won't count as a video. No, it doesn't count as a video, but watch time still counts. If people watch a live video, it still counts just the same as a video. Still counts the watch time. Indeed, it does. Right, there we go. The winner today is anybody up? No one's up. Blimey, we're all down. I think oh, I thought I was the winner then. No, it looks like Trashbow 3 is down the least. So I've got to get out of here. Thank you very much for your honest trades. I've got to make the videos. Thumbs up and give them the sound effects. There we go. And let's roll the credits. My gosh, I'm in a rush this morning. I've got to save my music channel. I'm back on my other account. There you go. Let's go to the credits. See, I don't think there's going to be many credits here. I will see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Plus, of course, we have got the Tesla after hours. No, there's nothing there in the credits this afternoon. Let's have a quick look. Did we gain any subscribers here this afternoon? This morning, rather. Let's have a quick look. How many came through the show? It's 100. Bloody hell, 189. That was pretty good for a show that was short. Wow. We're getting more views every day. I was like, bloody hell, 189 in a short stream. That's incredible. Right, okay, 6,151. One person unsubscribed. That's okay. That's part of it. 33 likes. Not too bad. That's it. Right, we're done. I'm out of here. I'll see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Keep looping the music videos. Thank you so much for doing that. Roland Bassman, whoa, I won, yay. All right, see you back in a bit. Have a wonderful afternoon, and as always, George Semaine, if you'd come back in time, you'd have won this morning. However, you were too late. What do they say? If you snooze, you lose. Please keep streaming the music, any playlist you like, live, recorded, as long as it's not a short. I'll see you in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.